Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can activate your Chase debit card on the application. For that, first of all, you will be given a bunch of different options to activate your Chase debit card. In the first method, you can just come on this page, which is chase.com/activate, or you can use the Chase mobile application for it. Once you are in your app, you will have to just simply tap on the activate option right next to the card that you want to activate and follow further on screen instructions in order to activate it successfully. You can also call them on the given number on the back of your debit card and you can ask them to activate your debit card. You can also use your PIN at any Chase ATM in order to activate it. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to activate your Chase debit card, either with the help of application or your mobile device. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.